Hello friends, today I'm gonna explain how to create this type of movable revolving world map. It is a very simple and easiest way to create this type of animation. So let's move on the video to create this type of revolving animation in your MS PowerPoint. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yuan Tech World. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yuan Tech World. We are here to make sure you are able to use your MS PowerPoint in simple and easiest way. So let's move on the video. Before that, you are watching first time in our channel, kindly subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon to choose all notifications to get regular video updates in your YouTube page as well as your notification area. So let's move on the video. Dear friends, here you can draw one rectangular from go to insert and select the shape and draw a rectangle from here to here. You can adjust this rectangular. Now you can go to again insert and shape to choose oval shape and you can draw the one oval. Now you can go to the align and select the center and also select the middle. Now the align is okay. Now press Ctrl key and drag the circle for one more. Now you can come to first one, select the rectangular and first circle, go to merge shape and you can click on the combine shape. Now it's okay. And now you can go to the other circle to insert, so it's an okay. Now you need to go the shape effect of the circle. Select the circle and go to shape effect and go to 3D rotation option. Before that you need to go to 3D format. Here you can choose the top bowl for circle and the width of the circle is 240 and height also 240. Hit enter and the bottom level also you need to choose circle and the width is 240 and also height is 240. Hit enter. Now it's okay and you may go to the lightning. You can choose 3 point and material also choose translucent in clear. So now it's an beautiful your circle is created. Now you can create one more slide by pressing Ctrl M. Now you can resize the second slide and go to insert and picture. The picture of the vector image of world map is already downloaded and this picture is available in Pixabay. So you can select the picture and insert it. The picture is inserted and you can adjust to out of this picture because you want to add animation for this picture. Here I can close the picture format and click on the picture, go to animation and this time I am adding animation for exit, fly out and the effect option is left. Go to animation pane and click on the down arrow mark and go to effect option and timing is on click and delay 0 second and the duration is 8 second and repeat until end of the slide. Click OK. Now it's okay. Now you can copy this same picture and copy and paste here also and adjust the picture same as it is and this time select the second one and go to the option and timing will start on 4 second delay and same duration and repeat until of the end of slide. Now click OK and this will start 4 second delay. So stop the picture. Now you can select Ctrl All and same copy by pressing left key. Now you can copy the same picture on left side. This time you need to go format and select the picture. In color you can choose washout color and the animation, this time go to animation and it will be on right side move. Now it's okay and this one also I will check, this one also okay and color will be fade out. We want to change, so go to color and select wash out and again fix it to this picture one by one. Now we are almost comes to end of the animation. Now almost we are completed this animation, so I am playing this animation. First one is okay and second one is okay. Here we need to change the timing with previous, and this one also with previous, and this one also with previous, and this one will start on the timing is 4-second delay, 4 second, and fifth one is also start with 4-second delay. Hit enter. Four-second delay. So I am playing this one by pressing front and back is okay, but one more thing we need to change it. For back, this picture goes to back. Click on the picture and send to back, and this one also select to back, and again adjust this picture here. Now okay, and you need to play all. Play it. So excellent. So you can go to the first slide and copy the both of this circle and rectangular and click copy, and comes to second slide and paste it. Now the rectangle, you need to change the rectangular color. Select the rectangular and go to format and insert black. Now zoom it. You can go to the slide so, and you need to play it. I am clicking. Yeah, nice. This globe is rotating. It isn't very simple. You can see the original globe is revolving. This is the end of our videos tutorial to create a beautiful revolving animation in your MS PowerPoint. So if you have any kind of problem, you may text me on our comment box. We will replying your comment. Thanks for watching. If you are watching first time in our video, kindly subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon to choose all notification to get your regular video updates in your YouTube page as well as notification area. Thanks for watching. We are meeting on our next video. For the time being, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.